Rally versus rally is taking place in the national capital. This is coming at a time when the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has hit the poll mode after being released from Tihar jail on an interim bail in the Liquorgate case. Arvind Kejriwal, who held his first election campaign yesterday, went all guns blazing against the Prime Minister and the BJP Sarkar at the centre. On the first day of his political campaign, Kejriwal warned people against voting for the BJP, but here's the reason exactly he cited. Kejriwal now says that the Prime Minister, who soon will be turning 75 years of age, and hence will be retiring from politics, making way for the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to become the next Prime Minister. However, Amit Shah himself has countered Kejriwal's theory, asserting that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be the one who will complete his full 5-year term. He added there was no mention of any age ceiling in the BJP constitution.
मोदी जी अगले साल 17 सितंबर को 75 साल के हो रहे हैं। बीजेपी के अंदर मोदी जी ने 2014 में मोदी जी ने खुद ने रूल बनाया था कि बीजेपी के अंदर जो भी 75 साल का होगा उसको रिटायर कर दिया जाएगा। अब मोदी जी अगले साल 17 सितंबर को रिटायर होने वाले हैं।
मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल एंड कंपनी और पूरे इंडिया अलायंस को कहना चाहता हूं, मोदी जी 75 साल के हो जाए, इससे आपको आनंदित होने की जरूरत नहीं है। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के संविधान में कहीं नहीं लिखा है। मोदी जी ही ये टर्म पूरी करेंगे और मोदी जी ही आगे देश का नेतृत्व करते रहेंगे। इसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी में कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है। ये कंफ्यूजन खड़ा करना चाहिए।
With that, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders and Delhi ministers repeated Arvind Kejriwal's claims, taking a swipe at the BJP and the Prime Minister, saying that his prediction shows that he has admitted that Prime Minister Modi will now hit a record third term.
उन्होंने कहा कि मोदी जी पीएम बनेंगे और इसके बाद फला को प्रधानमंत्री बना देंगे। इसके लिए उनको साधुवाद देना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने आज ये एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि प्रधानमंत्री श्री मोदी जी दोबारा भारत के प्रधानमंत्री बनने जा रहे हैं। वो आगे सक्सेशन प्लान भी बताने लगे कि मोदी जी रहेंगे, इसके बाद कौन कौन रहेगा। प्रधानमंत्री के बारे में बातें करने वाले खुद मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में जेल में थे और ये ना बता पाए कि उनका सक्सेसर कौन होगा।
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री ने ही कानून बनाया है। 75 साल के बाद कोई आदमी कोई पद नहीं ले सकता। आडवाणी जी भी इसलिए रिटायर हुए, मुरली मनोहर जोशी भी इसलिए रिटायर हुए। इसलिए जब सितंबर 2025 में प्रधानमंत्री रिटायर होंगे तो किसको प्रधानमंत्री बनाया जाएगा, ये सवाल देश के अंदर बड़ा सवाल है। और सुनने में ये आ रहा है कि अमित शाह जी को प्रधानमंत्री बनाया जाएगा।
Well, Kejriwal just didn't stop there at predicting a Prime Minister's successor, but he went on to predict that if the BJP wins the elections, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be shown the door within 2 months.
दोस्तों, अगले साल 17 सितंबर तक अगर इनकी सरकार बनी तो उस पे भी आऊंगा मैं। अगर इनकी सरकार बनी तो पहले अगले 2 महीने में योगी जी को निपटाएंगे ये, और उसके बाद मोदी जी के सबसे खास अमित शाह को ये प्रधानमंत्री बनाएंगे। तो मैं लोगों को, देश के लोगों को आगाह करना चाहता हूं, मोदी जी अपने लिए वोट नहीं मांग रहे। मोदी जी अमित शाह को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए वोट मांग रहे हैं।
Well, even when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party's ally in Delhi, the Congress has also concurred with Kejriwal's claims and said that since Yogi Adityanath is the most popular leader after Prime Minister Modi, he will be removed as the Chief Minister. Just exactly what happened with Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Vasundhara Raje, Manohar Lal Khattar, who were removed after their popularity grew. However, the BJP is hit back at Arvind Kejriwal, saying that while he was talking about other parties, what about the leaders who were with him when he started the anti-corruption movement but deserted him later? The BJP also questioned Kejriwal over his wife taking center stage after he went to jail, saying that this proved that there are no leaders within the party that he trusts.
केजरीवाल जी जेल में पहुंचने के बाद अपना मानसिक संतुलन खो बैठे हैं। अभी बेल पर हैं और केवल चुनाव तक के लिए हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के हम कार्यकर्ताओं के लिए राजनीति पद प्राप्ति का या स्वार्थों की सिद्धि का माध्यम नहीं है। देश की सेवा के लिए हम राजनीति करते हैं और जनता की भलाई के लिए, विकास के लिए हम लोग काम करते हैं। राष्ट्रीय पुनर्निर्माण का महाआंदोलन अभियान है भारतीय जनता पार्टी, जिसके हम सब कार्यकर्ता हैं, और पार्टी जो काम हमें देती है उस काम को पूरी प्रामाणिकता, मेहनत और ईमानदारी से हम करते हैं।
मेरा आकलन है कि उससे पहले अरविंद जी वापस जेल जा रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि जो शराब घोटाले के लिए बेल पर कुछ लम्हे लेकर जेल से बाहर आए, उन्हें ये चिंता करनी पड़ेगी कि आजीवन कारावास में उनकी स्थिति कैसी रहेगी।
Well, in the national capital, it's going to be rally versus rally, and in a bid to galvanize public support and a rally against what they perceive as injustice, the Aam Aadmi Party organized a cycle rally as part of their Jail Ka Jawab Vote Se campaign. While the BJP countered that rally, launched a bike rally to showcase mega show of strength, with several Sikhs also joining in this face-off that seems to be taking place on the streets of Delhi.
See, this is a rally which has been organized by our Sikh community to show their support. And as you would know, Modi ji has been very close to the Sikh community. The time that he spent in Punjab, the time in emergency when he posed as a Sikh, he knew everything about the teachings of Sikhism. And he has a great affinity towards the community.
Well, we have Sabyasachi joining us live right now. Good morning to you, Sabyasachi. It's a Sunday morning, and of course, when it comes to the heat that the election campaign has been picking up, and that is happening from both sides. It's rally versus rally today on the streets of Delhi.
Well, absolutely. See, the political heat is escalating here in the national capital, and on one hand, the Aam Aadmi Party is organizing one of several cycle rallies which they have been organizing in the past several weeks. Now, this rally has been called in Jail Ka Jawab Vote Se. Now, they aim to reach out to different localities here in the national capital, to reach out to the people and tell the people how Arvind Kejriwal has been falsely implicated in various cases, how Arvind Kejriwal time and again has been targeted for helping the people of the national capital. See, on the other hand, the BJP is holding a bike rally led by Manjinder Singh Sirsa here in the national capital. This bike rally is also focused on how Arvind Kejriwal has been involved in the alleged liquor policy and how time and again several leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party are behind bars. See, the war of words is escalating between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, where Arvind Kejriwal has been taking attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and several other leaders of the BJP. We have heard Arvind Kejriwal stating that the BJP plans that after 2025 it will be Union Home Minister Amit Shah who would be taking the chair of Prime Minister here in the country, and Yogi Adityanath would be removed from the Chief Minister post after the NDA comes into power. See, the BJP clearly says that these allegations by Arvind Kejriwal are absolutely baseless, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will complete his entire term. Meanwhile, on the other hand, the BJP also reminds Arvind Kejriwal about his interim bail, which is getting over on 1st of June, and he has other things to worry about.
All right, Sabyasachi, please to stay on with us. Well, that's Sabyasachi covering as far as the Aam Aadmi Party cycle rally is concerned, but the bike rally that will be taken out by the BJP, let's talk about that and go across to Rishabh. Rishabh, good morning to you. As far as BJP is concerned, contesting on all 7 seats, in fact, they currently still hold all of the 7 seats. But talking about when it comes to the BJP show of strength today, that will be also witnessed on the streets of Delhi. Over to you for the live updates.
Well, definitely, the bike rally that was led by Manjinder Singh Sirsa had Sikh youth following Manjinder Singh Sirsa, all adorned with BJP colours. It was flagged by General V.K. Singh, Union Minister, as well as Delhi BJP Chief Virendra Sachdeva. It has just culminated in BJP headquarters, the national headquarters. It began from Pandit Pant Marg at the Delhi BJP headquarters and has now reached the Delhi national headquarters of BJP in Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg. Throughout the rally, there were, the slogans raised in Gurumukhi, in Punjabi, where it was shown that how the Sikh community stands in solidarity with BJP. support BJP is what the message was being sent out using this rally. We spoke to Manjinder Singh Sirsa, we spoke to Sachdeva as well as General Singh, and all of them believe that Arvind Kejriwal will not have much of an impact, though he is out on an interim bail from Tihar jail. Manjinder Singh Sirsa went on to say that whatever Kejriwal wants to do can do, but he will ultimately be returning to jail on 2nd of June, and nothing much will change. The Delhi
so
people,
after
the
nearly
voters
50
in Delhi,
days and of being behind bars, he's been given some relief till 20 days at least to conduct these election rallies, because that is only thing that he's allowed to do now once he is out on interim bail by the Supreme Court.